Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new website. It's called Hostinger, like you see here. So first thing, like usual, let me give you a short idea about this website. So Hostinger is an affordable web hosting company known for its fast loading speeds, reliable performance, and user-friendly interface. They offer various hosting plans and domain registration services. So let's get in to know more about this website. This is the sponsored one. We need the real and this website, the real one. So this is the interface of the website. Like all the websites in this kind, we have some plans with different prices, like you see here. We will see more in this interface after we log in and create account. So to get login, we need to go over here, and by one click so we are not a member yet, so we're gonna choose a hosting plan over here. We click over here. We need to choose one plan from these: the single web hosting, premium web hosting, or the business web hosting. Okay, there is here different prices: $1, $2, at least $2 here, one plus 99, two plus $99 per month, and three plus $99 per month. So we have here different services, like you see here. Let's choose, like example, this one. I will not create accounts, I will just show you how, because I don't use this website, so I cannot pay it for nothing. Okay, let's click over here. So now we need to choose a period: 1 month, 12 months, or 24 months. So let's try choose this one, because this is the first step. You're almost there. Complete your order. Okay. The second step, we need to create our accounts. So let's create the account. And you can also choose one from these. You can create your account on Facebook or with Google. The third step, we need to select payments. We have here a lot of choices: by the credit card, or the PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, or QueenGate. So let's try to use this one, or choose this one, and following these steps over here. Okay, let's try to find United States. Okay. So now the state is Washington. You need to write the city that you live in. This information should be real, and all of them are correct. Okay, because they will check out your ID card, and your pay card, everything should be like it's written on your card. You need to write your street address and the zip code. I will not write them because I will not write or create my account now because I don't need to. So if you have already a coupon code, you will just write it over here, and you will write your name on card, the credit card of course, and that number on the front of the card, and the expiration date, the month here and the year here, and the CVC code. Okay, this code you can find this behind of the card, and then you will just submit secure payment, and they will check out in just few moments with a picture for your card. Okay, and also you can, after 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, you can get back your money after 30 days. So now let's get back to the interface to see more about this website. So this is the interface. Like I said before, there is 3 plans here with different prices and different services. The top features comparison. We have one website in the single web hosting. We have one website, 50 GB CCD storage, 100 GB bandwidth, free domain, unlimited free SSL, and weekly. And for the security, this is all the same in the single web hosting, the premium web hosting, and the business web hosting. Okay, so if you want to see all the features, you need to click over here to see all the features that you will get if you paid this price or this price or this price. Okay, you need just to add to cart the plan that you want and your credit account. Okay, for the website hosting trusted by thousands, we have this review in informations here. Okay, it's excellent, verified, very easy to use, and verified is best web domain registered, and verified for the to be honest to customer support. And this website, you can use it in all the countries, wherever you were, excuse me. So here's some information about the plane that you choose. You can just put select and read more about it. And here you find more information about hosting, VPS, email, or domain. So this is the website Hostinger. If you like the video, please follow and subscribe for more. So like usual, bye bye to the next video and the next website.